Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about income producing activities, and these are activities that you do whether you're in an affiliate marketing business or direct sales business, network marketing business, doesn't matter. You may have heard of this term called income producing activities, but you might not know exactly what that means. So that's what this video is all about. Now, before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to it. Now, what are income producing activities? Well, the activities that you need to do are pretty simple, but they're not easy because most people don't do these activities on a consistent basis, and they don't do these activities long enough. Okay, so here's one of the activities that you need to do is to drive traffic to your offer. Okay, drive traffic to your offer. Take that off there. Okay, now driving traffic is basically getting people to see your offer. Okay, people who are interested in starting their own business from home, things like that. Okay, and there are different types of traffic. There's free and paid traffic strategies, okay, that you can use to get people to see your offer. Alright, some of the free traffic methods, we're talking about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, making YouTube videos, and then for paid traffic, solo ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and YouTube ads. Okay, those are some of the more popular ways to generate traffic to your offer. Okay, now in addition to that, you also want to build your email list. Okay, so whatever traffic you're driving to your offer, you want to take those people to what's called a lead capture page. Okay, and the lead capture page is basically a page that has an enticing headline that gets people interested in whatever business you're in. Okay, it creates curiosity in the prospect. So the whole purpose of that lead capture page is to get the I put paid instead of page. So let me do that over. The whole purpose of the lead capture page is to capture the person's information, mainly their email address. Okay, you can also capture their name and their email and their phone number if you want to, but you'll get the most leads if you capture just the email address. Okay, you want their email. Okay, now when they put in their email address on this lead capture page, they'll automatically get added to your email list using your email autoresponder. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane. It doesn't matter. Those people will end up on an email list in your autoresponder. Okay. Now, let me go to another page here. Let's see, clear canvas. Okay. So the third thing you do when you're building your email list, you want to follow up with your leads. Okay, follow up with your leads. And the way you do this is through email. You want to email your list at least 5 times a week. Okay, at least 5 days a week. You can do it Monday through Friday, you can do it Sunday through Thursday. Okay, doesn't matter. all right? But you want to stay in constant contact with your leads, all right? So when you send an email, okay, you're sending several emails out to your list, and these emails will redirect them back to the offer, okay? This will be more than likely a video presentation page, whether it's from the company that you're with or a video presentation that you made, whatever, okay? You're redirecting those people back to that page, all right? Because the truth of the matter is that it takes people several times to see your offer before they decide to join you in your business opportunity. So when they first go to your lead capture page and put in their email address, they're going to automatically go to the offer here, okay? LCP is for lead capture page, all right? So they put in their email address and then they go to the offer page. 99%, if not 100% of the people are not going to sign up for your business opportunity right then and there. You have to look at it from your point of view here. How many times did you have to see the business opportunity before you decide to sign up with them? Okay? It may have taken you 4, 5, 10, 15 times before you decided, okay, I'm going to get involved with this business. It was the same way for me. I saw the offer about at least a dozen times before I decided to join the opportunity, okay? So that's why you need to follow up with your leads that are on your email list over and over and over again, okay? And the whole process, this is what's called the income producing activities, okay? Now, not only are you redirecting them back to the offer, but you're also providing value to these leads, okay? Now, what I mean by providing value is that you're giving information to them that'll help them in their business, or if they join you in a business opportunity, information that'll help them. Like what I'm doing right here, showing you what the income producing activities are. That's providing value to you because you may not know how all of this works. And I'm showing you how it works, how you can be successful in your business. That's providing value. Okay? And if you make YouTube videos providing value to people, you can take that YouTube video and share it with your email list. Okay? So that's one of the ways you can provide value. And if you don't have any results in your business yet, or you think you can't provide value, all you have to do is pretty much go on YouTube, go on top earners blogs if they have a blog, and read what they're writing about. Watch their YouTube videos of these top earners, like top earners that are in the business you're in or in a different business than yours. Okay, there's a lot you can learn from them. And when you watch their YouTube videos and their blogs, they might be sharing some really good points that you can incorporate into your business. And then when you do that, you can also write an email to your list talking about what you just learned. You don't, basically when you write the email to your list, you're not going up there saying, oh, you know, this is what I have for you. You know, I came up with this idea. You didn't come up with the idea. You've learned about it from somebody else. What you can say in your emails is that I just learned about this new business strategy and I think it can help you. And then talk about what that business strategy is. Put it into your own words. If you're on several top earners email list, that's a great way to get ideas about what to write about in your emails. You don't copy what they do. You don't copy their emails word for word or anything like that. you emulate them by, like, if they give you a business tip or strategy in the email and you think it's a good idea, then you can pass that along to your email list and tell them, hey, I just found out about this business tip and I want to pass it on to you. That's all you have to do. So don't fake it. Don't act like that you're the one who came up with this idea. Just be honest with people and tell them, I just learned this new business strategy and I think it can help you in your business or whatever business you decide to join. So provide that value. Now, while you're providing that value, you still want to make sure that you redirect people back to your offer. You can put that at the end of your email. Also, what I always talk about when it comes to these income producing activities of driving traffic to your offer, building your email list and following up with your leads and providing value to your leads, this is how you develop the know, like, and trust factor. Okay? Know, like, and trust factor. You'll have to excuse the handwriting. You know, I'm using my finger to draw all of this on the whiteboard here. Okay? The know, like, and trust factor. The more people get to know you, then they'll start liking you. And the more they like you, then you develop that trust with them. And that's when they decide to join you in your business opportunity. And this whole process of the know, like, and trust factor, it could take some time to develop this with people. Okay? But I say that the best way to develop the know, like, and trust factor is on YouTube. Creating YouTube videos like this one, like others out there, where you're just, providing value to people. Teaching them something that you learned. Okay? I didn't come up with the income producing activities. I learned about income producing activities a while ago. I would say like several months ago, I learned about income producing activities, and I've been incorporating that into my business. And now I teach it to others. And you can do the same thing too. So with the know, like, and trust factor, it's easy to develop that with YouTube videos because people get to see what you look like. They get to hear what you're talking about and what you're teaching about, what value you're providing to people. That's a great way to develop that know, like, and trust factor. Also on Facebook, people can message you on Facebook asking you questions about your business, and you can correspond with people. That's another great way to develop the know, like, and trust factor. So those are probably the easiest ways to do it. Through an email list, sending emails out every day. It might take a little bit longer, but if you do YouTube videos, maybe a blog, and you're posting on Facebook several times a day, you can send your YouTube video to your email list. Your blog post, send that to your email list. Put your blog post on your Facebook page. Put your YouTube video on your Facebook page. Just get yourself out there so people get to know who you are. Because the fact of the matter is, and let me get another canvas here. The fact of the matter is that people join people. They don't join business opportunities per se. They don't join companies. They join people. Just think about, if you are already in a business opportunity, did you join a specific person because you got to know them, like them, and trust them? Okay? It wasn't so much about the business opportunity itself. It was about the other person and what kind of value they provided to you and what kind of value they're still providing to you. That's why you joined them. I know that's how it was for me. When I joined a business opportunity, I joined people that I liked, that I got to know, and I joined them an opportunity because I got value from them. So that's why providing value is so important when it comes to promoting a business opportunity. The more value that you provide to others, the more success you'll end up getting in your business. So, it's a two-way street here, okay? You provide value to others, and then you get rewarded by them signing up in your business opportunity and you earning commissions. That's what it's all about. People join people. Provide value. Do those income producing activities, driving traffic to your offer, whether it's paid or free traffic, building your email list, and following up with your leads, providing value in your emails, redirecting them back to your offer over and over and over again, sending your YouTube videos to them, blog posts to them, have them connect with you on Facebook, give out your phone number so they can call or text you if they have any questions, that sort of thing. Okay? So if you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you're not in a business opportunity yet and you're still looking for one to join, I ask you to go ahead and check out the one that I'm in. Just click on the very first link below this video in the description area to get more information. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.